Hello guys. In previous video we have covered the basic of strings. In this video we are going to cover the basic methods of strings which are built in Python. So let's start. This is the continuation of the previous video. So let's start. Let's say I have the same string welcome. So if I want to convert whole string into uppercase, then what will I do? Print var dot just I can use upper, so it will convert the whole string into uppercase. Here we go. And the next function is, let me comment it out. And the next function is lower. If I want to convert a string into lowercase, whole string into lowercase, then I can use a lower function. It will convert the whole string into lowercase. The third function is split. It will split the string on the basis of white space, where he found, where code found, where compiler found a space. It will split the string on the basis of space. Let's say we want to check it out, split. So how it will work? So let me show you. It will split the string on the basis of space. And the next function is replace. If I want to replace any number or any word with any word, let's say replace, I will use replace function. Let's say I want to replace E with O. Then it will start searching in the string where the code will compiler will found E. It will replace E with O. Let me show you. Here we go. It has printed WOL, comma. So the next function is join. The join function basically used to join two strings. Let me show you how. Let's say first, let's say I have a string join function. Let's say I have a string over here where 2 equal to Python course. This is the string 2, welcome to, let's say, and we want to join these two string. So how I'm going to join these string? Like where dot join with where 2. So this is how we will join the strings. Let me print it for you. Okay, this is making some error. Let's try again. You have to check. Basically, the error is very simple, but you have to check what is error is coming over here. I will tell you another method to join two strings. Let's say we want to join var1 with var2. So how I will use to join? I will use just plus var2. So let me print it for you. Welcome to the Python course. So this is how you will join the string. This is the beauty of Python. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.